Hi, I'm Alan and you're watching Inevitaly, your fresh take on all things Italian. Today we're going to be talking about cocktails. I know you're all familiar with the Negroni. It's really one of the top shelf cocktails these days. It's been around a long time, but it's gotten super popular in recent years due to proliferation of high quality gins and the popularity of Amari, bitter Italian liqueurs, of which Campari, the central ingredient of a Negroni, is probably the most famous. To make a Negroni, you need three things. Gin, in this case Irish gin, because obviously. Campari, of course, and a sweet red vermouth. The brand doesn't matter that much. I like Antica Formula, but any high quality one will do. You'll also need an orange for garnish, and my secret ingredient, some orange bitters. So I'm going to show you two preparations, on the rocks and my favorite, straight up. Let's get mixing. We'll start with on the rocks. It's best to have one large ice cube, mainly so that it doesn't melt too quickly. Next, 1 measure of gin, 1 measure of Campari, and 1 measure of sweet red vermouth. Onto this, I like to add a dash of orange bitters, and then stir till it's chilled. Squeeze over a twist of orange peel garnish, and you're done. The standard recipe calls for equal parts of the three ingredients. However, some people like to add a little bit extra gin. Personally, I prefer to add more vermouth than the other two. It makes it sweeter and less alcoholic. You can also replace the gin with whiskey, which makes it a Boulevardier, or replace the gin with Mezcal, which makes it, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's absolutely delicious. However, personally, I prefer to have my Negroni up. That is, in a martini glass with no ice. So to prepare that, you're going to need to first chill it. You're going to need a cocktail shaker with ice, and then you're going to add the three measures. Give it a quick shake, or a stir, and then get a cocktail glass. I like to keep mine in the freezer until the very last second. And then, you just pour. And your garnish. And there you have it, Negroni on the rocks and a Negroni straight up, also known as a great night in. Remember, it's a straightforward cocktail with 3 equal measures. However, if you play around with the levels a little bit, you can get it just to your taste. And don't forget my secret ingredient, a little dash of orange bitters. So sit back and enjoy. We've also put together some shopping recommendations that'll help you get the perfect Negroni right now. So check it out. Thanks for watching Inevitally. We'll see you again soon.